Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make text bigger or smaller on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. Select Accessibility on the left side. And then on the right side, you want to go ahead and locate where it says text size. Go ahead and left click on that. And there's a slider bar here that you can adjust the text to be smaller or larger. And then you would just select apply and that would make the change. So again, pretty straightforward process. Moving it all the way to the left would make it back to the default 100%. And then just select apply. And like I said, pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.